And today arrived a small package for me. Let's have a look what is in there. I ordered a lot of stuff for the studio, so let's check what it is. Hi everybody and welcome back. As you can see, I have the USB cables to connect my hard disk to the new laptop. So they are finally here. There is more stuff coming through in the studio so I can clean up the studio again, because it's only get a bigger mess. I don't have any time to clean up the studio. Yesterday I was so busy I couldn't make a vlog. Today I've got a free bundle of plugins for you, and they are really great. I actually wanted to buy one of the plugins a few months back, and now the whole bundles are for free. If you go to the website of Accusonus, log in, and then you can download those three bundles. They are for free. You don't need any license, you don't need a dongle, you don't have to register them. Just download them, install them, and they are actually working. Look at this. I've got this vocal here.
You and me forever walking.
Just a small, simple vocal.
Forever walking.
And I only installed yet to try it one bundle. I've got all those plugins, and you can, for example, use the voice changer. And then and it's actually working. And I've got here another one just to show you that it's working. No license, nothing required. Look at this.
You and me forever walking. You and me forever walking. You and me forever walking.
Normal.
You and me forever walking.
Nothing work, nothing happening.
You and me forever walking. 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 You and me forever walking.
So the whole bundle is now for free. So if you like, go quickly to the website. Go quickly to their website, because I don't know for how long they are on there and you can download them. So they are for free. I saw it on YouTube. I tried it out and it's actually working. I'm gonna install the other bundle now, and I'm sure that one is also working, so I don't gonna show you. If you have any questions of the plugins or where to find them, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back. Enjoy!